All right, quick test. The Qwen 2.5 coder 32-bit instruct model. I think this is quantized to, I think 17.2, which is why you see the dedicated GPU memory at 18 rather than the full 36, I guess it would be. I think it's a 32 in full, but here it goes. Try this here. Tell the long unabridged history of the Radeon Instinct MI60. And there it goes. You can see utilization 100%. Oh, there it runs already. And about 9 tokens a second on this model. Keeping the temperature tracked over here as well, showing it's up to 40 Celsius. I got it running 7,800 RPM, I believe, on a server fan, but it's just the way it's set up in the system itself in the tower. It's not especially tuned for the current configuration, but it does keep temperatures within reason. Not sure if the facts coming out of the AI that we're using is especially accurate, but it'd be nice to have 48 gigabytes of HBM2, but 32 is pretty good, especially when you get them online for 200 bucks. The only other place I know of you can get 32 gigabytes of VRAM is those 5090s that'll, I think, cost about $5,000 and maybe one of your kids now. So, oh, there you go. You see the idea. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. We'll do more.